Hi, welcome to Granddaddy's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a seafood Spanish paella. We have white onion, red pepper, yellow pepper, some chorizo sausage, some cumin, coriander, some vine ripe tomatoes, some chili, some garlic, some mussels, prawns, and we're going to be doing a little bit of a twist and putting some basmati rice in there. And then last but not least, we have turmeric. This is a great substitute for saffron. Obviously, saffron is one of the most expensive ingredients in the world. Kind of hard to get at your local shop, so we're going to go ahead with turmeric. Right here, I'm using Moroccan tagine. I think it's a very diverse dish. You can get it anywhere online for 20 bucks. And more importantly, you can cook so many things in it. You can smell the aroma from the chorizo already coming out, even though I haven't stirred it. Now, I'm putting seafood in this, but feel free, if you don't like seafood, add some chicken in there, add veg in there. Really, I think flavors from around the world and cooking is really about mixing up ingredients and making the dish your own. Pinch of cumin, coriander. We don't really want to burn the onions or brown them. We just want to get them see-through. Peppers. Boom. Cherry tomatoes. We're going to keep these whole. At the end of the day, it's about being rustic. A little bit of turmeric. You don't need much. A little goes a long way. Gonna rip some fresh parsley in there. Let's get the rice going. Now with the rice, you're just gonna use equal parts water, equal parts rice. Mussels are going in. Prawns are going in. Notice as I'm adding at the very end, I'm gonna put the water in it. Perfect. See how it's coming to the boil there? That's exactly what we want. We're gonna bring up the temperature. I'm gonna do one last seasoning taste. Needs a bit more salt. A bit more pepper. Don't worry too much about this broth now because the flavors from the seafood's gonna come out, and you gotta remember all this water is gonna reduce into the rice. I'm gonna clasp it. I'm gonna put it on low heat for another probably minute. Then I'm actually gonna take it straight off the heat and just let it sit there for 15 minutes. Perfect. Paella, been sitting there with the lid on it. Wow, that is a sexy, sexy dish. Woo! So we're gonna finish this with a little bit of coriander. I like coriander. And then obviously a little bit of lemon with the fish. It's nice and light. The spices are there. If it's too rich, you're not gonna be able to finish off that bowl. You could taste the lemon, you could taste the fish, you could taste a little bit of a spice of chorizo. I wish you were here to try this. This is a tasty one.